Okay, so today we're in Mount Sutro Park in San Francisco. So look at how beautiful this is. I'm actually a little ways up. And this is a tiny little path I found. We're going to go back to the main path, and I'll show you that. But this little path is neat because there's no bikes on it and not so many people on it. So there's a really neat looking fern. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And what is mainly around us is ivy. So this is the ivy. And it is everywhere. In fact, where I am right now, if you look around, I'll go all the way around. If you look around, all you see, you don't see any cars. You don't see any houses. You don't see any people. You don't see anything. So this is a great spot because within just a couple minutes, you can be somewhere away from everything. And things can look like they did years and years ago. Before I was born, before you were born, it can look all the same like it used to. Which would be a big jungle like this. So, today's mission that I'm on is I'm trying to find a banana slug for you guys. So, I know they're here, but it could take quite a while. So, I don't want you just sitting there waiting to see the banana slug. So, I'm going to keep looking, and whenever I see something that I think you guys would like, I'm going to show it to you. But I'm not just going to show you walking around. Okay, so actually before I pause, show you this. So there's a really cool tree with kind of reddish purple leaves. And there we look out over the big valley. And again, look at how big those trees are. Unbelievable. So big. Alright, so I'm going to pause you for now. Hopefully, find a banana slug for us. Okay, so this one, I was talking to Lauren in 3rd grade about this one. So, that has leaves of 3, but that is not poison ivy. So when I used to come up here, I would always be worried that was poison ivy. So I found out that it wasn't. Ooh. So I'm turning over some pieces of bark, trying to find a banana slug. Nothing so far. But don't worry, we'll find one. I'm going to keep looking. Okay, I still haven't found a banana slug for you guys. They're easier to find after it rains. But we're going to keep on looking. Oh, we haven't seen these before. Little purple flowers. There they are on the tree. Do you guys hear the birds? Sometimes also we find blackberries. They're all over the Presidio. So here they would be hard to find because if they were near the trail, then people would just eat them. But if I see any, I'll show you those too. And look at this one. This is a really very neat looking plant. Look at those big leaves. Here, I'll put my hand so you can see how big the leaves are. See? It's like as big as my whole hand. See? Wow, those birds are so noisy. Okay, and here are some berries on this tree. And they are definitely not good to eat. They look good, but they are not good to eat. So, see, someplace like that, it's moist and dark, that would be a good place for a banana slug. Ooh, look at this. Do you guys see that? So here's the path. And then right there, hard to see it, a little trail going off the path. So of course we have to go check it out. So, oh my goodness, I had to crouch way down. Okay, I'm feeling good about this. Doesn't go very far, but all right, we're down in this trail, and that was it. It was just a few feet. But why I came here, besides just exploring, was hopefully to find our friend the banana slug. All right, so I'm gonna look around a little bit. Can you use a stick to help me look around? Oh, well, not here. Okay, I'm going to check. We're going to keep going up the trail. I'm going to look one more place. And then if we don't see him, that's okay. But hopefully we'll find one. Okay. This is actually a really, really long trail, because I've been hitting pause a lot. But at least we're getting higher and higher up. Okay, so the next time I see a little trail going off to the side, we're going to go down there and look. And if we can't find it there, then we'll just try again some other time. Okay, this is an interesting sign. See there, it says poison oak, and it gives a little picture of it. So we know to watch out for that. So it says it's shiny and has 3 leaves. So, where I grew up was in New Jersey, and I don't remember any poison oak. We had poison ivy. And the West Coast, I guess you guys have poison oak. If one of your parents knows different, they can correct me, but I'm pretty sure that's right. So, I guess if I go one way, I can go up to the top. But if I go another way, we'll go back down. So, I'm going to go back this way because, and trust me, this is so long. So, you could spend a day here. Ooh, I got to show you guys this. Okay, All right, remember these guys from last week? Well, as it turns out, these are called nasturtiums. So it was Caitlin and her mom in first grade who told me in their video what they're called. And she did a really neat experiment with them. So these guys, these nasturtiums, are so waterproof. And you may say, well, every plant is waterproof. Well, yeah, but these guys, if you put water on them, if you dunk them in water and take them out of the water, guess what? They're dry, these leaves. So she showed me that, and I learned the name of them. So that's why you guys are great, because you answer the questions and tell me things. So I learned stuff too. Okay, so I just want to show you this. I hope you guys can see like what I'm seeing, because it's a valley, and it may seem close, but it goes all the way down. And then these trees go all the way so far up. I can't even barely get my camera that high. So I've been looking around. I've actually been in here, believe it or not. I've been in this forest for like an hour. So, and I cannot find a banana slug. If it had just rained, then I think we definitely would have found one. So yeah, so I couldn't find one, but, I'll come back and look again sometime. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and always love your comments about it and the stuff that you share. So thanks for that, and I will see you later. Bye.